We are finished. You don't understand? We don't finish. Like, we are in a big trouble. The video you're watching here, it's Bandit Kingpin, Yellow, 1 million. That's his name. That's what they call him. Yellow 1 million. Showing off with his machine gun. This is anti-aircraft machine gun. Go and check this machine gun. Go to Google and check it. This is they call this aircraft machine gun QJC88 anti-aircraft machine gun. Not sold to individual. This machine gun is not sold to individual. I'm telling you facts. Go and check Google. Check every website. They don't sell it to individual. It is government purchased. So now you start asking yourself, how did Yellow 1 million get hold of this anti-aircraft machine? I still have the video where he said he did not was not seized from military. No, I still got the video where he publicly told the audience or the public that this gun was not seized from the Nigerian military. It was purchased. The question is, who purchased this gun from Yellow 1 million? It is the Nigerian government or the politicians. I'm here to tell you what they will not tell you. You know the story. If they keep hiding it, I keep bringing it out. I know that my days are numbered. My days are numbered. For to be honest with you, it is numbered. The kind of call I receive these days, the kind of messages I get, even from my WhatsApp, I think I'm gonna remove that WhatsApp number. The messages I get from my WhatsApp these days is just clear indication that my days are numbered. You understand? But I'm not scared. Okay, I'm not scared. I've told my parents and they understood it perfectly that this is my course. This is the path I choose. So even if I buy, I'm a fulfilled person. You know why? Because this social media space, I don't achieve what I'm supposed to achieve. Letting you know what they will not let you know. Because the media, the Nigerian media is being controlled by them. They will not tell you all these things. They will not tell you. No media will tell you this one. Go and check. No Nigerian media will tell you this thing. If they tell you, we cannot see the next day. If they tell you this thing I'm telling you now, let me not see the next day. They will not tell you. They won't. They only want you to know what they want you to know. But to me, I like to tell you, say, I got your back. When they're hiding it, I'm bringing it out. See it. Showcase it like showing off with QJC88 anti-machine gun aircraft. Go and check the damage that this aircraft can cause. That is him handling it. To tell you that this thing, the banditry in Nigeria, the killings in Nigeria, sure this is happening here, is being sponsored by the Nigerian politicians and the Nigerian government. I'm not scared. Post this thing anywhere. I, English Alhaji, is telling you, I know they fear. I'm not scared for once. I thank every one of you that has been supporting me. Nigerians calling me to check up on me. In fact, today, a lady even called. English Alhaji, do you want to relocate? I'll take care of your house rent. I'll pay half of it. I was like, yo. You say yes. Even if I cannot pay your full rent, I'll pay the half of your rent. Another guy from all these people are in diaspora. They don't want to say, okay, I just want to give you money for data. Just send me your account number. I was like, yo. So these people are in diaspora, but they want this country to be great again. Can you see the love they have for Nigeria? But the Nigerian government itself no want make this country see front. That is why I will not stop exposing.